I got a good one for you, Florinel. So, what is happening today in the educational system is we are preparing our kids to become functional in a system that is predefined, and where they, by becoming functional in the system, lose a bit of their uniqueness. Okay? Now, what blockchain enables is for people and for kids to become more independent and start doing things on their own, independently from a predefined system. You can start taking things into your own hands, become more responsible yourself, not depending on the system to be responsible for you. Yeah, and start developing your own life. And having the blockchain, it's difficult to grasp, but having the blockchain as a tool that enables you to do or to find what you would like to do and implement it also. So yeah, that's how blockchain can help. I think it will do a lot.